Nissan Refinery and Petrochemical Limited Liability Company is a joint venture company established in April 2008 with Kuwait Petroleum Europe, Idemitsu Kosan Company, and Mitsui Chemicals Incorporated. Vietnam Oil and Gas Group as its sponsor to construct and operate NSRP project located at Nissan Economic Zone, Ting Zai District, Thanh Hoa Province, 260 kilometers south of Hanoi, with a total investment capital of over 9 billion and a processing capacity of 200,000 barrels of Kuwait crude oil per day, equivalent to 10 million tons per year. NSRP project is one of Vietnam's key national projects. NSRP, in coordination with EPC contractor JGCS Consortium, consisting of JGC Corporation, Chiyoda Corporation, GS Group, SK Group, and Technic Malaysia, as the EPC contractor, had implemented the engineering, procurement, construction phase of the project in 45 months, from July 2013 until the end of April 2017. In terms of main materials and equipment, 491,000 metric tons of equipment were installed, 433,000 cubic meters of concrete were used for the construction, 3.62 million meters of electrical cable and 2.85 million meters of instrument cable were installed. In respect of project items, 38 process units, 15 utility units, and 10 off-site units were completed. The contractor completed total 79 tanks for crude oil, semi-product, and final product storage, with capacity of about 2.1 million cubic meters, of which there are 8 crude oil tanks, 120,000 cubic meters each used to store crude oil imported from Kuwait. After the completion of construction phase, the plant was handed over by the EPC contractor to NSRP on April 30th, 2017 for commissioning. This task was carried out by more than 1,000 engineers and experts of NSRP in coordination with JGCS, licensors, vendors, and other technical service suppliers. They handled a series of work items for commissioning the complex, such as fire water, demineralized wastewater treatment, service water systems, DO and FO supply steam turbine and gas turbine generators for power generation for the utility units. The process units were also under commissioning, which included the activities of steaming out columns, vacuum test commissioning of equipment, pumps, compressors, cooling fans, and drying out incinerators. At this commissioning phase, NSRP imported fuel semi-products and intermediate products such as alkylate, desulfurization heavy naphtha, polymer-grade propylene, propane, butane, mixed xylene reformate that were supplied to the process units for testing their operation. On August 20th, 2017, NSRP received the first Very Large Crude Carrier, or VLCC, named Millennium, carrying 270,000 tons of crude oil from Kuwait. This VLCC departed on August 1st, 2017 from Mina Al Ahmadi port in Kuwait. This first crude oil shipment event demonstrated strong development of Vietnam's oil and gas processing industry, as it received the largest crude oil tanker ever, and this is the starting point of Kuwait crude oil supply to Vietnam. With great efforts of the engineers, experts of NSRP, and other related parties at the commissioning phase, NSRP successfully launched the first batch of commercial product, MoGas 92, to the market on May 1st, 2018. And after all that, all kinds of products such as MoGas 95, MoGas 92, diesel, Jet A1, and petrochemical products, including benzene, paraxylene, polypropylene, sulfur, were successfully supplied to both domestic and export markets. November 14, 2018 marked an important milestone that recognized the commissioning phase were completed when performance test conditions of the plant were met, and was truly a significant step for the starting commercial operation phase. Having a stable supply of crude oil from Kuwait, NSRP project will contribute strongly to the national energy security of Vietnam in the context of this energy source is becoming increasingly scarce on a global scale. In addition, NSRP project will contribute positively to the socio-economic development of northern central region of Vietnam, which desires to receive huge investment to accelerate the development of this area that belongs to the strategy of national economic development of Vietnam. Nissan Refinery and Petrochemical Complex project is proud of contributing to the national energy security of Vietnam and contributing to the friendship of 3 countries, Vietnam, Japan, and Kuwait.